Hi, I wanted to talk to you about a brilliant new product that I've been using at home for my DIY tanning. I absolutely love the Ultimate Tanning Oil by Bronzy. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. First thing I really love, my pet hate, is fake tan breakdown. When it breaks down, it looks really, really patchy. I love fake tan, I use fake tan weekly, have done probably for the last 25 years. And when it breaks down, it looks messy, it can look dirty on the skin. I think we know what I'm talking about, you know. When it's like Weetabixy, scaly looking skin, this product is amazing. It just gradually fades, gradually disappears. I'm kind of doing this a bit backwards because I'm going to show you before rather than showing you the after. I tanned this arm last night with the Bronzy oil, glides on beautifully, and then I wanted to show you how to apply on the other arm today. So first of all, I've obviously exfoliated my skin. Before you apply any tanning product, it's best to exfoliate your skin. Then I'm moisturising dry areas, so hands and elbows. I'm just doing my arm for you today. Then I'm going to use the Bronzy tanning mitt. I love this mitt. It's so luxurious, it's silky smooth, and it just helps the tan glide on beautifully. And of course, it's got the plastic lining inside, so I don't get any mess on my hands. Now, whenever you apply fake tan, just be cautious that obviously if it's got a guide colour in there, it can create a slight area of overspray. So I always put a black towel down, and then I make sure that I spray nice and close to the mitt. So a couple of sprays nice and close to the mitt, and then I'm going to glide this tan on. So I wanted to show you how gorgeous the guide colour is. That's why I saved one arm to tan for you today. First thing you notice about the tan is obviously the gorgeous olive guide colour. So there's no room for error at all. You can see exactly where you put it. The other thing when you get to try it yourself is the smell is divine. Honestly, it's like putting a fragrance on. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's really sort of citrusy and fresh, not the kind of smell you associate with fake tan at all. You have to get some of this just to try to smell even. So that's my arm tanned, gliding over the elbow, just lightly inside of the arm. It's already touch dry. This oil dries really, really quickly. And then what I do with any excess product left in the mitt, I go for my hands. Hands go much darker than the rest of the body because they tend to be dry. And claw your hands to make sure you get into the knuckles. And then with my clean side of my mitt, I just buff my wrist to make sure it's blended in nicely there. And that's it, job done. This is an express tan, so you leave it on for a few hours for a light golden tan, or sleep in it like I do if you want to achieve a darker glow. And I just want to show you, this is the guide colour, which is gorgeous, and these are the results. Happy tanning.